What's up guys, welcome back. We are here today for the first video of tearing into this bad boy. So today on the agenda we're going to be taking the hood off, taking off the wheels, uninstalling OFT V1 and prepping it for engine removal. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first matter of business, let's get this OFT uninstalled before we do anything. I hardly ever monitor this thing so it doesn't stay plugged in, but the previous owner wired it in kind of a hard wire, because this goes under the center console. Let's get this bad boy plugged in. There we go. Alright. Never done this before, so I'm just kind of going for it. Okay, let's try tuning. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, if it ever loads. I have experience with Cobb access ports. The one I had was a V3. This is obviously a little different. Damn, this thing had a popcorn tune? I fucked up. I may have to, do the old YouTube University on how to uninstall this thing. Now we wait. 35 years later. Alright, in the short break I did the old Google, and all I had to do was exactly as this says, click original, and then I have to go up to the OFT manager, which I don't have, but I will have to download on my PC to confirm that everything's been erased. So I'm just following the prompts on the device. So now we switch the ignition off. I think we're good to go. Now I just gotta fish the cable out and then move on to the next step. Close this bad boy. Now for the fun. Oh God. Alright, so I know there's one port here. I really wish I was the one that did this so I know how the fuck it exactly comes off. I know I don't need this anymore. Ah, nice. Done. This has got to just pop right off, right? I feel like it doesn't though. Exactly how you break shit. Oh, nice. Where's she at? There she is. That would mean that this side does the same. Sweet. Alright, I'm about to... Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Nice. That was a pretty clean install by the previous owner. this guy back in so I don't forget how it goes on, because knowing my luck, my ass would forget. Put this guy back in too. Done and done. I think that would probably be best to get more shit out of our way. Give us more working room. Less stuff to worry about. Okay. Blanket. So I'm gonna put the blanket over the roof, and then after I shake it out, it is beautiful colors to match the beautiful orange car. Purdy and pink. Just how we like it. It's gonna be in the way. What do you guys think? 13s would be my guess. Smaller than 13, probably 12. Loose. My impact is probably the weakest Milwaukee you will ever see. All right. We will put this bolt right there. There. Luckily, this guy does not feel very heavy. We'll put this back down. All right, that's good right there. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, a little worried about this right now. Okay. Oh, yes, let's go. Hood is off. Everything on this side is good. Yeah, we're good. Good. Voila. Don't got shit in the way. Although I am gonna run inside, get plastic bags, so I'll mark all the bolts so I don't know where everything goes. Obviously those are orange, so it's clear that those are gonna be the hood bolts, but just cover my bases. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Fresh batteries, got our baggies. Hood, bolts. Think I got a little bit of corrosion going on here? Just a little bit. Just a wee bit. Figure out a better spot for this, but we'll start a pile. Okay. Let's take these guys off. It's definitely gonna be in the way. That will be strut brace, strut brace, strut brace nuts. We'll label one left and one right. So this will be pass, In all actuality, they're probably the same, but just in case I have any issues, I know one versus the other. These are strut, race, nuts, 2 Konas. JK, that's weird. Strut, race, nuts. I had a brain fart and tried to do a T. What do you guys think those are? 15s? I like to say the eye of the tiger. I'd be lying to myself. See? Probably the same as this. Fucking idiot. It's okay. Actually shocked this thing has the balls to take these off. Come to Papa. Get out of there. Okay. Next order of business. We'll take the wheels off. Weird with having this big old thing on my head. Or I have it in that drawer. And I'm an idiot. I don't even know where my own tools are. Clearly don't use them enough. Don't worry though. They'll get their work out. Can't forget to lube up your tools. It's probably too much. However, it hasn't been used in a long minute. If you can't tell, it's been a long time. This thing's probably gonna bite your ears off, so apologize in advance. Get my hoe ready. Get the hose ready. Oh yeah, nice leaker. Here we go. Or not. Maybe it's got enough air pressure that it's okay. Nice. Got a kick on, buddy? Fucking kidding me, bro? You gonna turn on? Hello? You serious? On. Circuits are on. Hello? Dude, are you serious? shit I have to deal with. Like, just work. Am I asking too much? Oh, motherfucker. Put these here for now. This is not their home. That's where they're sitting. For now, and for now only. So we'll just shut the fuck up. Done. All right, so we got the wheels off, hood's off, OFT is uninstalled. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching. I know it kind of seems like this last video ended abruptly, but that's because it did. I just have so much content that I didn't think about truncating it out and kind of, making it into segments. So this obviously is a learning curve for me, and I appreciate all the support. And if you guys, like, subscribe, and keep on watching, I greatly appreciate it.